Welcome to Ireland, the Emerald Isle, where myths meet music and nature sounds. Located in northwestern Europe, Ireland shares the island with Northern Ireland, part of the UK, and is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean, the Irish Sea, and the Celtic Sea. Its capital is Dublin, a vibrant city known for pubs, poets, and friendly people. Ireland has about 5 million people, speaks English and Irish Gaelic, and uses the euro as its currency. Ireland is a parliamentary democracy, with a president as head of state and a prime minister known as the Taoiseach. It's an active member of the European Union and the United Nations. The economy is modern and fast-growing, powered by tech companies, pharmaceuticals, and aquaculture. Nature in Ireland is simply magical. Picture rolling green hills, rugged coastlines, and dramatic cliffs like the famous cliffs of Moher. The country is dotted with ancient forests, serene lakes, and mystical bogs. National parks like Killarney and Glenveigh offer beauty and adventure. Ireland's nickname, the Emerald Isle, is well-deserved. Irish culture is rich, warm, and proudly preserved. Most people identify as Roman Catholic, but secular life is widespread. Traditions include storytelling, folk music, and Gaelic sports. Irish dancing and the lively sound of fiddles and tin whistles are still celebrated across the country. And the word Craic, meaning fun and good times, captures the Irish spirit perfectly. Ireland is famous for its festivals, from St. Patrick's Day parades around the world to traditional music festivals and vibrant celebrations of literature and film. And did you know Halloween originated in ancient Celtic Ireland? Hungry? Try Irish stew, soda bread, or boxty, a type of potato pancake. Seafood lovers can enjoy smoked salmon, while those with a sweet tooth should try a slice of barmbrack. And of course, Ireland is home to Guinness, a stout beer that's a cultural icon in itself. When it comes to sports, the Irish are passionate. Gaelic football and hurling are uniquely Irish games with deep local pride. Rugby and soccer also draw huge crowds. And yes, many Irish athletes shine on the global stage. Why visit? Explore ancient castles, kiss the Blarney Stone, hike along the wild Atlantic Way, or enjoy a pint and live music in a cozy Dublin pub. Ireland is where nature, history, and charm all meet. Whether you're drawn by the legends, the landscapes, or the laughter, Ireland welcomes you with open arms. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundes on Etsy with code DOODLE10.